This is one of the things I love about this rig, is listening to the rain when it pours. And now that it's getting dark, I've got my black lights on. I'm going to show you all of them. Even my little dog glows with the black light on. I got some other lights. It's not quite pitch black yet, but I love the sound of that rain. So I wanted to share this with you before the rain quits. Got my black light fun. My shirt to glow in. I got my, don't worry, those aren't real flames, they're the flickering lights piece. I've got my blob light. This used to be a road. Now it's a river. My favorite air plant. Come on up here, baby girl. You come on up. It's my girl. She has to run down to get a running start. Come on. There she is. That's my Roxy. That's my good girls. Motorcycle's covered, but she is soaked. One of the many things I love about RV living is that tin roof. You hear my dog snoring? Life is good.